Want to boost your growth and unlock more commercial benefits? Introducing Unity Rewards, a commercial rewards program for our wholesale partners. The more you buy from us, the more points you earn, the bigger the benefits. With 4 Unity Rewards levels to unlock, you'll earn points for every new order you place, with the level of bandwidth determining the number of points you collect. At the end of each performance period, we'll tally your points and adjust your Unity Reward level, giving you better pricing on new orders and bigger savings on renewals. We're also introducing an erosion allowance. At the end of each period, you'll earn a rebate based on the qualifying high bandwidth services you order, which is evenly applied as a discount across all your out-of-contract national Ethernet services. Want to know more about Unity Rewards? Speak to your account manager today. Virgin Media Business Wholesale, dedicated to your growth, proud to be your partner.